Today is Tuesday, February 9th. This is the 1975-76 Cadillac Eldorado filler panel set for my friend Mark Sorger in Oregon. And these will be going out to Mark as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. These are the period correct 1975 and 1976 specific filler panels and fender and rear quarter extensions. These are the front nose extensions, okay, that mount to the front fender right up to the bumper. And these are the rear quarter panel extensions. And these are the two horizontal brake light fillers specific to 1975 and 76, as they have the cutout cavity for the 1975-76 Cadillac Eldorado brake lights. And included in it is, in the set, is the license plate cover panel as well in silver. So this is the period correct 1975-1976 Cadillac Eldorado 5-piece rear, 2-piece front filler panel set. And this includes the incorporated lower panel embedded onto the primary panel in the front nose. So instead of being 2 pieces on either side on the left and right, 4 pieces total, 2 pieces on the left, 2 pieces on the right. We've incorporated within the mold the bottom lower trim panel that mounts and bolts to the front fender. Okay, so in the 75-76 as well as 77-78 Eldorado, there's a very small polished stainless steel, a lot of people call it a chrome trim panel, that mounts to the bottom onto a separate piece, which is very flimsy and falls off. So as a preventative measure, the redesign of the original intent was to incorporate the lower panel as part of the primary panel in the front nose fender extension. Okay, so these will be going out to my friend Mark in Oregon as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. They're pre-primed and ready to mount, and they include a very smooth hard shell finish in order to provide a show quality finish upon respraying. And in most cases, these units will be sprayed along with the entire car body, although in some cases people will just be spraying these filler panels in order to exchange out the deteriorated panels in their Eldorados. But as a general rule, for matchability purposes, it's always best to do it when you're respraying the entire car. So this is the 1975-76 Cadillac Eldorado filler panel set for my friend Mark. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados. Over 375 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, particularly with the WoodGrain InLay from 1969 to 1978. The steering columns, the instrument clusters, power seat mechanisms, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. This is George in Florida. Today is Tuesday, February 9th. Thank you very kindly.